Hello, wherever you are. In today's video, I just want to talk briefly about link ads. Now, if you are new to AdSense and you may see in your AdSense account, you just got through, you just got approved, and you're excited to start setting up ads, you may have noticed that link ads, and I have this a yellow box around here, and then also the matched content, that these were not options for you. We're not talking about matched content today, but with link ads, this was a surprise for me because I had bought a site that the highest performing ad on that site was a link ad. And so we were trying to set the site up. I had bought it, so I wanted to run it exactly like it had been run before. But the link ad wasn't an option when I got my own AdSense account. You may or may not know, but you can't buy other people's AdSense accounts. So when people have, awesome ads set up, or all the options set up in their own account, when you get your own brand new account, you may not have the same options and opportunities that they have for various reasons. I think some of these come along as your site grows, or maybe you have more traffic, or for whatever reason. But it was a surprise to me to get a brand new account and not have link ads. And frankly, it was a surprise to everyone involved in the sale because the link ad on the page was the one that was the highest performing. If you don't know what a link ad is, I'm just going to come over here. It is one of these little squares, and you might see them, long, or you might see them in the sidebar or whatever. For some reason, they seem to perform really well, even though they don't look that good. They don't look very high tech. They don't contribute much to the whole experience of the page. And so when I got the new account, I didn't see link ads as an option. And, I did a lot of research, and there was a lot of talk a couple months ago about, the updates to Google Adsense, and how AdSense was phasing out some of the ads that they had previously. They were trying to get towards ads that provided a better user experience. And link ads just aren't that attractive. Like, they don't look that good. They kind of look like spam. I think most people who are going through a website see them and know that it's an ad. And so when I started my account, link ads wasn't an option. And I thought, oh, well, they just must be phasing them out. But lo and behold, today my account is 3 months old. I just popped on, and link ads were an option. So, all of my previous theories about Google AdSense phasing out linked ads just went right out the window. And I don't know what it is or why it is that link ads are now an option in my account. It could be that for new users, they don't give you all of the options, or maybe something else happened. I have no idea. I'm going to continue to look into this and try to do some research on it. But link ads are now an option in my account. So if you are brand new to this, or you are buying a website and you are getting a new AdSense account, please know that link ads may not be an option for you. But it looks like if you just kind of push on, that these will eventually just pop up. And I am wondering if I had been more proactive and if I had contacted support, maybe they would have provided me access to these sooner. I have no idea. But anyway, link ads are now an option for me. I'm going to test them out and see how they work on the site now that I have them. If you have any questions about link ads, or getting a new AdSense account, or anything else associated with display advertising, let me know in the comments. As always, like, share, subscribe, do all the social stuff. I love the engagement on the channel. It's a lot of fun talking to you about your businesses. All right, everybody, I'll see you in the next video.